Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds, and may Allah's blessings be upon our Prophet Muhammad, his family, and all his companions. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ya ayyuha alladhina amanu, innama al-khamru wal-maysiru wal-ansab wal-azlam rijsun min amal ash-shaytan, fajtanibuhu la'allakum tuflihun. O believers, intoxicants, gambling, idols, and drawing lots for decisions won are all evil of Satan's handiwork. So shun them, so you may be successful. Surah Al-Ma'idah. إنما يريد الشيطان أن يوقع بينكم العداوة والبغضاء في الخمر والميسر ويصدكم عن ذكر الله وعن الصلوات فهل أنتم منتهون. Indeed, Satan only seeks to sow discord and hatred among you through intoxicants and gambling, and to prevent you from the remembrance of Allah and from prayer. Will you not then abstain? Surah Al-Ma'idah 591, reinforcement of the prohibition 1. Innama yuridu shaitan. Indeed, Satan only seeks. The verse explains Satan's true objective behind intoxicants and gambling, to create division and hinder spiritual growth. The word enma again emphasizes exclusivity, meaning Satan's sole intention in promoting these vices is to cause harm. 2. Yuwaqqi'a baynakum al-adawa wal-baghda. Sow enmity and hatred among you. Radawa, enmity, refers to hostility and broken relationships. Baghda, hatred, refers to an internal feeling of resentment. These effects are common consequences of intoxication and gambling, leading to family and societal breakdowns. 3. وَيَصُدَّكُمْ عَنْ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وَعَنِ الصَّلَوَاتِ, and to prevent you from the remembrance of Allah and from prayer. This verse highlights two spiritual harms of these acts. They distract from dhikr, remembrance of Allah. They hinder salah, prayer. The connection between addiction and neglect of prayer is evident, as these habits lead to heedlessness and loss of discipline. For فَهَلْ أَنْتُمْ مُنْتَهُونَ. Will you not then abstain? A rhetorical question emphasizing the seriousness of the prohibition. Instead of a direct command, the verse appeals to the conscience of believers, making them reflect on the consequences.